It's Veterans Day 2025.
Yeah, that's me.
We're heading up to Battlefield Harley-Davidson in Gettysburg. We're gonna see if we can use this Veterans Day to go for a ride up there.
Welcome to MCC Just Motos.
Yo guys, it's Andy. It's Veterans Day 2025. I got Bobby right there. I got my Street Glide Ultra 2025. He's on his Pan America. We're heading up to Battlefield Harley-Davidson in Gettysburg. So Battlefield Harley-Davidson's, two Harley-Davidsons, let's go.
Bobby is leading. We're heading up to Battlefield Harley-Davidson on this Veterans Day. It is pretty cold out. It's, let's see, 40 degrees, but probably in the 20s with the wind chill. So even though I don't have heated gear, I am bundled up. It's cold. We're gonna take a scenic route to Emmitsburg. I'll put the route on the map for y'all and just try and enjoy this Veterans Day. I do have my Style Martine boots, if you can see. They're a little bit warmer, I think, I hope. And the good news is I have my heel toe shifter on, so I don't have to worry about shifting underneath. But these boots are pretty good. Now, it's funny, I got my Harley-Davidson gloves on there as well. They are like fall, if not winter gloves. But I have the hand grip heater. And the funny part about it is that these heaters are really, really hot. But these gloves are so insulated, I really can't feel it. So that's kind of funny. One of the coolest parts about living in Maryland is that there is so many destinations all around. You're kind of in the middle of it all. You can go to New England, you can go to the Gettysburg and the battlefields, New York. You can go all over, and everything's right in the middle. You can head down south to Florida. You can go to West Virginia and see the mountains there. And it's super, super cool. That is kind of the cool part. The bad part is you get a little bit of, there's these loops, they call them, the beltways. There's the North Beltway and around Baltimore-ish, and there's the South Bay Beltway around DC. But once you get past those, the sailing is smooth to your destinations. So we're kind of in the North Beltway. 695, 895. Down south is 95, 395, 495. And a lot of my East Coasters will know that, but you see we're kind of in the midst of it. Oh yeah, we got to go to 795. That's Reisterstown. And yes, if you've made it this far, I am a veteran. I did 10 plus years in the Marine Corps. I've had 5 combat deployments, but yeah, really just kind of wanted to go for the ride, use the day to check out the Veterans Day rides, and make our own, and head into Gettysburg. I thought there'd be kind of a cool connection there, and that's why we're heading that way. All right, can't talk, too cold. See you later. Headed to Emmitsburg. It is still brutal and brutally windy. We're off of the freeways, and we're into the byways. So we are out getting close to the border of Pennsylvania. It's still super windy out. Definitely more rural and country. We just went to Taneytown, and you can still see there's still fall leaves, still somewhat on the tree, but they've been blown off mostly. I'm going to give a big shout out to my other fellow veterans out there. Happy Veterans Day. Thank you for your service. Appreciate y'all. Do me a favor though, if you are a veteran, drop a comment below. I really want to know that this video got to you. You don't have to say much, just say what branch you served, and again, I thank you. So if you are a veteran, please just let me know and drop a comment.
All right, we made it to Battlefield Harley-Davidson. There's the bikes. We're gonna go get a look around inside, maybe try and get a route to the battlefield and see what we got. But we are the only ones here. It's that cold. Woo! Let's go inside.
A huge shout out to Battlefield Harley-Davidson and Royal Enfield. We stopped into the store. They have so many cool bikes to look at, a lot of eye candy, a lot of Harley-Davidsons, and some really cool Royal Enfields. A lot of good swag and merchandise. And Bobby's motorcycle broke down. His battery died. They replaced it there, so the service department was really cool. So again, check out Battlefield Harley-Davidson if you're in Gettysburg. We are heading out of Battlefield Harley-Davidson. We're going to go to Little Round Top. So the craziest thing happened. Bobby's motorcycle, the battery died. It was under warranty by 1 month, basically they gave him a brand new battery at Battlefield Harley-Davidson. So shout out to Battlefield Harley-Davidson. He says it's starting much better. It was crazy, it just died. Now let's head to Little Round Top. But really, it was an adventure going up here, and we met some cool people. Service was cool. We met Bob in sales. He gave me some information about Janus Motorcycles and the people up there. So I'm gonna actually maybe use that for another time to go up to Janus Motorcycles. So that was cool. And got to sit on a few Royal Enfields, sit on a few Harley-Davidsons. Yeah, I liked it. A lot of fields. Oh, there's monuments and markers all over. That's cool. Okay, here we go. Surprised there's no one here. Look at those. Look at that. Cannons. Whoa. Whoa. Can't believe there's no one here, but again, it's so cold that I'm not surprised. I guess this is it. Wright Avenue. Oh wow, I think that's it up there. I guess that's it. Huh. Whoa. That's it. Little Round Top, we are there. Let's see. That's cool. Yep. Perfect. All right.
It's freezing cold. Windy as all heck. Bobby had to do some stuff to his bike, but we made it. We're gonna go check out Little Round Top, the most pivotal part of the Battle of Gettysburg. What do you think, Bobby?
It's rad, man.
You keeping the helmet on?
Yeah.
I got my hoodie. Woo! Let's take a look up at the view. Wow! Holy moly! What do we got here? Warren. Look at this. You could just tell this was a battlefield. Some of the big markets. Holy moly. It is brutally cold now. It's getting colder out. Little Rocky Hill. What do we got? The Union Fishhook. Tells you where the fighting lines are. Army of the Potomac, 5th Corps Artillery. Artillery shell piece. Wow. Looking at the same wooded area. Holy moly. Wow. Alright guys, I'm glad I got to come here to Little Round Top. Again, happy Veterans Day to everybody. Brutally cold. I'm gonna head back in a bit. Bobby and I just wanted to check it out. I mean, yeah, very cold ride, good ride. But again, happy Veterans Day to everybody, and we'll catch you in the next episode. Please like and subscribe.